Editor mouse wheel zoom. Zoom the font of the editor when using mouse wheel and holding control. Now this is not the zoom you have when you press command plus or command minus, like so. This zooms everything in VS Code, right? And you can just reset it by pressing command 0, but the 0 needs to be the numpad 0. And if you have a numpad, you can just go to View, Appearance, Reset Zoom. This mouse wheel zoom is the editor only. So let me show you what that looks like. Now if you press Control and you scroll, this is what you get. Just the editor is being zoomed in and zoomed out, not everything else, right? And the way you reset this zoom, by the way, is you have to come to the command palette and choose editor font zoom reset, which is this one right here, and it's going to reset for you. Now once we have VS Code configured, once you have VS Code configured, you probably don't want to use don't want this feature, because sometimes you have control pressed and you're scrolling through your file, and you're just gonna unwillingly change the zoom, and that's gonna be obviously annoying. So I would rather change this to false, get the zoom level I want, and just have it saved on the settings file, and then don't have this feature annoy the bejesus out of you.